Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Vanguard Plus is and how it works. When people talk about Vanguard Plus in the context of Vanguard's financial products, they are typically referring to the Vanguard Cash Plus account. This is a specialized savings account alternative designed to bridge the gap between keeping your short-term cash safe and managing your long-term investments all in one place. Instead of forcing you to split your financial life between a traditional retail bank and your brokerage platform, Vanguard created this account to give investors a centralized hub for their liquid funds. It functions primarily as a bank sweep program. This means that when you deposit cash into your Vanguard Cash Plus account, the money is automatically swept out to network partner banks where it is held and earns a competitive annual percentage yield, often significantly higher than the national average for traditional brick-and-mortar savings accounts. Let's look at how it actually works mechanically for your day-to-day personal finance needs. Opening the account requires a $0 minimum deposit, and there are no ongoing account service fees as long as you opt for electronic document delivery. Once your account is active, you receive standard routing and account numbers. This allows you to set up direct deposits from your employer, initiate mobile check deposits, transfer money via ACH, link external payment apps like PayPal or Venmo, and even pay bills directly. A major focus for users evaluating this type of account is safety and protection. Because the cash is swept into program banks, it becomes eligible for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, coverage. This coverage extends well beyond standard single bank limits because Vanguard spreads the funds across multiple network banks, protecting hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars depending on whether you hold an individual or joint account. This separates it from standard brokerage money market funds, which are protected by SIPC insurance instead of FDIC insurance. Operating the account alongside your existing investment portfolio is seamless. You log into the same Vanguard dashboard or mobile application where you monitor your index funds, exchange-traded funds, and retirement accounts. Moving money from your Cash Plus account into your investment settlement fund to buy stocks or bonds takes only next-day transfers or immediate internal movements depending on the exact transaction type, eliminating friction when you want to deploy capital into the market. Ultimately, the mechanism relies on maximizing yield on idle cash while maintaining high liquidity and safety. By utilizing program banks to hold the physical cash while leveraging Vanguard's digital infrastructure for management, you get the transactional flexibility of a checking account paired with the high yield of a modern cash management product. It eliminates the need to chase high-yield savings accounts across various online banks if you prefer keeping your entire net worth visible under a single login. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.